ready to go down these one by one now. We did 1/2 of 1/2, we did 1/3 of 1/2. Now 1/4 of 1/2 should be 1/8. Mathematically we can figure that out. If we look at the bars, you take the half first, shade half of it, because we're working backwards. 1/4 of 1/2 would be striped. That's to show the part of a part. Now when you cut them into fourths on the other side too, you get eighths across, so it's 1/8. That worked. Now let me show you 1/2 of 1/3 in case you had a little problem with this because we didn't do any thirds. But 1/2 of 1/3 of the bar is what you're thinking in your head. So I'm going to take 1/3. I'll cut it into thirds, and then I will shade one of the thirds. Now I have to cut the thirds in half. Stripe it. Right, and I have to cut the other thirds in half as well. That gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, one of which is striped. So it should be 1/6. That's what I got. Alright, 1/3 of 1/3. I have to cut the bar into thirds. That's roughly right. I shade, because it's 1/3, I shade it. 1/3 of 1/3. I have to cut this third into thirds. Stripe one of them. I cut this third into thirds. I cut this third into thirds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts, one of which is striped, should be 1/9. That's what I got. Okay, 1/4 of 1/3 of the bar. So I'm taking 1/3 of the bar first. And I shade it. Now I have to take 1/4 of that. I cut it in half. I cut it in half again. And I stripe one of those. Okay, then I have to cut each of the rest in fourths too to find out what my denominator is. Cut it in half, then halves again. Cut it in half, then halves again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 parts, one of which is striped. 1/12. Okay. We're getting ready to go into our workbook. Page C31 is the next one. So go ahead and do that, and then we'll attack it with answers.